What's up, CCA? I'm Sonia.
And I'm Eric.
And this is CCA-TV, Season
21. Wait!
Jack, what are you doing here?
We're in the middle of filming our intro.
Yeah, I know, but I was thinking maybe I can host CCA-TV as well.
No offense, but we already have two hosts,
Wait. Maybe we could try something new. I mean, it's Season 21.
I couldn't agree more.
You know what? Alright, yeah.
Well, I'm Jack.
I'm Sonia.
And I'm Eric.
And this is CCA-TV, Season 21.
The case of the missing conversation hearts is now in session. Jack Bridges, you are accused of stealing conversation hearts from multiple students throughout campus. How do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Not good enough. Without a proper defense, I have no choice. You're hereby sentenced to the AP's office.
Wait. Ask the mock trial team. They know.
During the mock trial meetings, we have our attorney coaches, any volunteer law students that come from the law schools in the area like UCSD or USD Law. And what they do is they work with either the students who are attorneys, we have defense attorneys and prosecution attorneys, and they work to develop their arguments, learning how to overcome objections, how to deal with general court procedure and how court procedures work.
Every year we have a competition in February, and it's at the Downtown Superior Court. So basically we go there and we present the case that we've been preparing in front of judges, real judges, and we get feedback from them. We have a prosecution and a defense team, and both of them will go on separate dates.
If you're considering mock trial, I think it's something to think about as far as like want to go into criminal justice or some other justice studies, let alone might want to go into some sort of law and legal careers. This would be the kind of activity for you.
We're here with CCA-TV, and we're here to ask CCA students if they signed up for AP tests. Let's go. Okay, are you taking any AP classes?
Yes, AP Lang.
AP Gov and Econ.
AP Chem, AP Bio, AP Calc, AP Tree Trimming.
AP Macro and AP Gov.
Are you taking any APs?
Too many.
AP Running, AP Adding, AP Subtracting, AP Truck Driving.
Have you signed up for the test yet? No, but I need to.
AP Grass Cutting and AP Running.
So have you signed up for the test? Do you know what the deadline is? No, February 20th. That's February 20th.
Hey everyone, right now is the height of flu season and lots of people are getting sick. To stay healthy, you should use these tips. Tip 1, remember to wash your hands often. Tip 2, try and keep at least 3 feet away from others. Tip 3, try and get at least 8.5 hours of sleep each night. Tip 4, try and get lots of vitamin C from citruses and green vegetables. Stay healthy, everyone.
Hey, Eric.
Yeah, Jack?
Have you ever invented something?
I mean, does making a sandwich out of leaves count?
No, I mean like a school project. Because 2 students invented a vacuum cannon.
Oh, that sounds actually pretty cool. Let's check it out.
Hi, I'm Reese. I'm Peter. And we built this PVC pipe cannon. Peter got the idea to build this off a YouTube video he saw when he was a kid. We did it because we could. The parts were very easy to get and they were very cheap at Home Depot.
So how the cannon works is at the top of the cannon there's a chamber with a battery, and a vacuum is formed as the smaller piston is pulled out, and once it's pulled all the way out, air rushes in to fill that vacuum, which can propel the battery upwards of 200 feet.
Oh god! Oh my god, that was so far!
One of the difficulties of making the cannon was the end cap. We tried using rubber gloves, pieces of aluminum, but they all failed because they were too leaky. We ended up using a rubber piece with some solo cups. My overall experience with this project was I had a lot of fun. I learned a lot about engineering, and just if you want to do something, you just need the supplies and push forward and you'll do it.
A new season of CCA-TV means new hosts, and not just new main hosts.
We have new arts and sports hosts.
You'll meet your new sports host next week, but for now, it's time for arts.
Hey CCA, I'm Carson.
And I'm Lily,
and this is Arts. Welcome back to CCA-TV.
This season of Arts is going to be great.
Yeah, because we're your hosts. Hey, Lily, are you okay?
Yeah, I guess I'm fine.
Okay. Anyways, we have a cool event called MythFest coming up.
MythFest is an all-in-vision collaboration with a performance today after school in the Proscenium.
Let's go check it out.
Once upon a time, the bravest knight in the land was getting ready to embark on a quest to MythFest. Onward to MythFest, he said. Make sure to stop by the Proscenium today to watch MythFest at 3:30 to watch different conservatory members share classic myths in new and creative ways.
Another cool event coming to CCA is the Eva Teacher Swap.
Let's talk to one of the art teachers about it.
We decided in our EVA meetings that we wanted students to get to know what all the other classes were in our course progression. We are switching our classes. So our classes are getting divided, and then each student gets to experience a class of their choosing. So if they really want to learn what sculpture is all about, they can visit the sculpture class for a day.
Okay, Lily, what is wrong?
Nothing. I'm fine. Stop talking about me and talk about the Body Aloud performance.
So Body Talk is this performance put on by the Body Aloud Club.
Come see it February 20th after school in the Proscenium.
Okay, Lily, you're obviously not okay.
Yeah, you're right. You know how Valentine's Day is coming up? Well, I've never had a Valentine, and I'm kind of upset about it.
Well, you can be my Valentine if you want.
Oh, that's so sweet. I think I'm okay. Thank you, though.
Yeah, of course. Anything for my friends. That's all for this week, CCA.
See you next time.
Valentine's Day is this weekend. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Jack?
I'm probably gonna watch Downton Abbey and eat ice cream for my mom.
Well, I don't have anything for Valentine's Day, but there's usually a sale on chocolate a few days after.
Hey, did you know that the most popular chocolate filling is caramel? Let's hear some more Valentine's Day fun facts from Mr. Spilkin's pop culture class.
We're about to enter Mr. Spilkin's pop culture class to see how much they know about Valentine's Day pop culture.
$50,000.
1 billion, you're incorrect!
San Francisco.
Pathetic!
Fiona is not pathetic.
Hundreds, I would assume.
Hundreds. It's twice as much, an average of $130, so just at hundreds.
Grover Cleveland.
Nope, Teddy Roosevelt. Someone didn't pass a push.
I plead the Fifth Amendment.
15%. This is a sad one. 50%.
Mexico.
California!
I'm Jake. I'm Keon. We know CCA has academics.
We know it has arts.
But does CCA have bars? Let's find out.
I have so many bars.
Excuse me, sir. You got bars you got fresh? Is you or is you ain't got bars?
Excuse me, Mr. President. On a scale of 1 to 10, how hard are your bars?
9.
Do you want to prove that for us?
Sure.
Okay, drop a quick freestyle about Valentine's Day.
February 14th. Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day, gonna get all the hearts. You already know, drawing up the art.
Valentine's Day is this Friday. That isn't really my day, but you grabbed a loved one, show them that you care every single day. Yeah, it really ain't fair.
It's Valentine's Day, don't stay away. Here comes Cupid, this holiday ain't stupid.
Valentine's Day is a day we give love to those that we love the most.
I have no Valentine, just gonna hang with me, myself, and I. Hey, and I got these rhymes, but I have no time.
Oh! Tori, kids at CCA, kids at LCC, and kids at SDA, they all get love from the people that love. Teachers, administrators, counselors, classified. That's what love is all about. And I'm out.
Hey, he's got next, he's got next!
All of us at CCA-TV want to give you a great season, and we need your help.
If you want to share a story for CCA-TV, submit it at CCA-TV.com.
Make sure to follow our Instagram for more behind-the-scenes content.
Have an amazing Valentine's 4-day weekend, Ravens, and
stay romantic, CCA! It's never gonna make the cut.